Today's lesson was over graphing systems of inequalities. All of these are in slope-intercept form, so the first thing you need to do is figure out your y-intercept. On your first equation is -1. Your slope is 2 over 1. You're going to check and see if it's solid or dashed. This one is a dashed line. And then you also need to figure out if you're going to shade above or below. Because it is greater than, you're going to shade above. Once you know all that, you need to graph it. You're going to start at -1. You're going to go up 2 over 1, and you're going to continue doing that. You can also go down 2 to the left 1. Since this is a dashed line, make sure you actually dash it. And then you are going to shade above your line. The next equation, you're going to figure out b is 3. Your slope is 1/2. This is a solid line. And you're going to shade below. Always start on your y-axis. Your y-intercept is 3, so go up 3. Then go up 1 over 2. You can continue doing that. Or go down 1 to the left 2. This line is solid. And on this one, you are shading below. Now remember, if at home you are using 2 colors, what you're going to need to do is darken in the part they have in common. If you are using pencil, you want to get rid of the part that you don't need. So all you are looking for is what they have in common, which is where the 2 colors cross. Second one, if you notice, both of these are our special graphs. So the first one, x is less than or equal to -2. You find -2 on the x-axis and you put a dot. Then since you are on the horizontal axis, you're going to draw a vertical line, and it is solid. Then the numbers that are less than -2 are to the left of the line, so you're going to shade to the left. Your second equation is also a special circumstance. On this one, you are going to find 4 on the y-axis, so you're going to go up 4. This one is a dashed line, and it is horizontal. Since it is greater than, you're going to shade above. Where they are in common is this little piece up here in the corner. So you don't need any of this if you are using pencil. And that would be your answer. This next one here, the first thing you should notice is that they have the same slope. So these are going to be parallel lines. You're still going to go through and say b is 4. M is -1/2. This is a dashed line. And you're going to shade below. Since b is 4, you go up 4. Then you go down 1 to the right 2. Or you can go up 1 to the left 2. Make sure you dash your line. And then you're going to shade below. Your second line, B is -3. M is -1/2. It is also dashed, but you are shading above. So your first point is going to be down 3. Then you're going to go down 1 to the right 2. Or you're going to go up 1 to the left 2. You're going to dash your line. And then this time you are going to shade above. So the part that these two have in common is what is in between the two graphs. So what is over here is not necessary.